Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a set of 20 by 10 American Truxx 161 webs in a black and milled finish, and some 37 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now this American Truxx wheel comes in a 20 by 10 and a 20 by 12 in a black and milled and a black and machined finish. Now this wheel is a black and milled. If you want the machine finish, these spokes will be machined as well. This 37 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tire, it's a Radar Renegade mud terrain tire. There's not much more to say about it. If you're shopping around for tires, you will see that these tires are priced very well. The tires produced by OmniSource, they balance acceptably for the price point. They're not a Toyota, they're not a Nitto, but they are priced very well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe the fender flares, or maybe some rails or a lift or anything for your vehicle, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.